This video will show you how to produce your VAT return on Debonair in anticipation of it being submitted to HMRC. Before running your VAT return, it's essential that you have first reviewed all the transactions on the reports that you have produced on Debonair. Please watch our video which shows you how to do this. It's also advisable to check your VAT summary to ensure that all VAT returns that have been submitted on your HMRC online VAT account have been correctly reconciled on Debonair, so that past submitted transactions do not get onto your current VAT return and thereby risk getting reported twice. Again, check out our video that shows you how to do this. If you are happy that all is in order, choose the VAT option on the top menu, and from this choose Current Return. You then have to enter the start date of your return and the end date, although entering the start date is only necessary on the first return in your accounting period. On subsequent VAT returns, the start date will be auto-entered for you. Once the dates are entered, click on Show Report, and Debonair will accumulate all the transactions for the current VAT return period. At this point, I would suggest that you print out the VAT return so that it is easier to do the final checks, which will be dealt with in a separate video. To print the report, go to the bottom and click on Amend Submit here, and then click on the PDF download logo. Debonair will download a PDF of the report to your download area on your computer or device. And that's it. Please watch our videos on pre-VAT submission checks and also on how to submit a VAT return. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notifications whenever we upload any new videos to help you. Bye for now.